Today we're going to start the toxicology. Here we have to remember the treatment. First we will ensure that the airway breathing, circulation, drug and the evaluation. Then we conduct the gastric lavage. Here we will use it is being used for the oral poisoning. The exception is opium. While the opium is being taken through any route, it could be gastric lavage also. So the lavage should be done in 3 hours. Evol tubes is being used, that is 1.5 meter in length and 1 centimeter in diameter. The patient position should be left and lateral, or it could be a prone. So we have to remember the contents of the gastric lavage, that is the KMNO4, sodium bicarbonate, calcium and sodium iodide, and the basically the tannic acid. We have to remember is contraindications like corrosive convulsant. Contraindication basically indicate that we don't give it in these cases. Now we have to remember the kerosene absolute is an absolute contraindication. The ideal tube for gastric lavage is. Now the toxicology, here with the definition: toxicology is the study of the poison. Toxinology is the study of the living toxin, while the father of toxinology is the Paracelsus, while the father of the modern toxin is Oriflamme. Now we have to remember the overview of some acts on drugs, like there is a Drug and Cosmetic Rules, the Drug and Control Act, the Drug and Magics Remedies Act, the Opium Act and the NDP Act. And courts have a special act which is the NDPS Act, which is for the opium, cannabis, cocaine and the poppy. The drugs for the Cosmetic Act is also scheduled, which is we have to remember it by the mnemonic CEFFG and HJKLX. Which is C is for the biological product, poison, vaccine, hormone, registered, medical practitioner, now never advertised, and antibodies, and there is a drug used for the abuses. Now we're going to study about the charcoal, which is a black powder which act by absorption end of the particle, and here we used it for the physical and mechanical antidote. The adult doses are 80 to 100 gram, and in child dose it is 1 kilogram per kg. We have to remember its contraindications, that it is not being given in the case of poisoning of the caustic, cyanide, hydrocarbon, alcohol, lithium and the phosphorus. We have to remember the emetics and catharetics, that is the ideal emetics, and the catheretic is the desorbitol. We have to remember the hemodialysis also, that is used in, and its contraindication used in the case of, we have to remember it, pneumonic by blast, and it's been contraindicated in the cases of the CuSO4, heroin, and in the case of benzodiazepine. Now we will remember another important term, which is the exchange transfusion and hemoperfusion, which is being the given case in the case of arsenic poisoning, and it is being hemoperfusion, which is done in the case of barbiturates. So these are the points. Now we're going to study about the universal antidote, which is the magnesium oxide and the tannic acid and the charcoal, and they basically used in the cases of liver. Now we're going to remember the peritoneal dialysis, which is used for the BLASC, that is the barbiturates, lithium, alcohol, salicylates, and the chlorohydrate. Now we have to remember the chlorohydrate, which is also known as dry wine, migraine, and the knockout drugs. So these are the things, and there is some related pulse also, which we can conduct or use from the Marrow Pulse, which is easily available from the Marrow app. That's it for it. We have to remember these are the points which we have to remember, as toxicology is a very wide subject, so we have to remember these things. These are the mostly one liners, but most of the time these mostly one liners give us most of the marks. So that is why toxicology is a very short, crisp and very useful subject. In toxicology, postmortem and the preservatives are also being used, that is which we use for the preservation, and also used for the cases of poisoning. So the sample preservatives in poisonings are, in for the case of blood we use the sodium ferrate. Now for the urine we use the toluene, and in for viscera we use these. Now the ideal preservative for the organ viscera is phenol, alcohol, formaldehyde and the aldehyde. So the most common preservative used in India is basically saturated solution of corrosive chlorine. Now we have to remember the poisons and their specific organ to be, they were being preserved. Like some organs have specific preservatives for which we used, like for cyanide we use, like for spleen we use cyanide, like for CSF we use the alcohol. The most important here is the lungs. For lungs we use the nylon bag, or we use the gaseous poison, or for bile we use the narcotics. And for the heavy metals, like we use the, for bones we use the heavy metals, and for brain we use the op and the alkaloid, and strychnine and digitally are being used for the cases of heart. Now, the role of pH of urine in treatment of poisoning, that if a poison is acid, the urine should be turned to be alkaline. If the poison is alkali, the urine should be acidified. So, alkali poisons has ene in the last, and like example, cocaine, quinine, adrenaline, and the alkalization is basically barbiturate, methotrexate, and salicylate. Now, the coma cocktail, it's a very famous term. It is being given in the cases of coma. It is the poisons which were light alcohol and opium, which leads to the coma. It consists of dextrose, naloxone, and B1, thiamine. Now we have to remember the chelating agent which are being used for the heavy metal poisoning, like the BAL, which is the British anti-leucide, is also known as dimercaprol, and it is also given as 1 injection. Now, with the people with the peanut or allergy is also contraindicated to use BAL. Now we have contraindications like iron and cadmium, G6PD poison, and the liver failure patients. Now we have to remember the penicillamine, which is being given for the copper poisoning, the contraindicated in arsenic. Now EDTA, which is given for the lead, contraindicated in mercury. Now we have dexferrioxamine, which is being used in the iron poisoning. Now, the preservatives which are used for the analysis are the NaCl and rectified spirit. They were used for the chemical analysis. For the histopathological exam, we use the 10% formalin or alcohol. For the virology, 50% glycerol is being used. For the Vistra, we use it at, usually Vistra is preserved at 4 degrees centigrade, while it is ideal should be preserved at -20. Sodium ferrate is used in carbon monoxide, cocaine, and cyanide. Now, we're going to study about the poisons and their smells, which is the Galdiki is for the cephal, arsenic, and phosphorus. Burnt rope shoe is for cannabis. Shoe polish is for nitrobenzene. Acrylic is for the paraldehyde. Fruit smell is for ethanol. Rotten egg is for S2S, and is also for sewer gas. And rotten fish for aniline, and fishy for the zinc. And the kerosene smell is being for user organophosphorus, which is due to aromax. And now there is carrot, which is being used for the cases of hemlock. Now the poisons which are being caused the PCT necrosis are the HG, which is Lysol, the carbolic acid, CHCl3, oxalic acid, CCl4, and the heavy metals. So now we're going to study about the corrosive poisons, which are the types of corrosive. So there could be a coagulative necrosis, or it could be alkali liquefactive necrosis. So in the cases of coagulative necrosis, the causes is protein precipitations on the surface which prevent the further penetration. So exception here is hydrofluoric acid, which prevent the liquefactive necrosis. Now we study about the carbolic acid. Carbolic acid fatal dose and fatal period, and it also known as phenol, and it uses antiseptic acid, which is the carbolic acid. Now it is also used as carbolia, which is green in color, and we have to remember the second metabolite, which is the onchronosis, which is a deposit on cartilage. Now we have to remember the oxalic acid, which is known as acid of sugar or acid of sorrel, which is used as ink removes, and there is gastric mucosa which use black color. This fatal doses and fatal period are of utmost importance. Now we have to remember the brown gastric contain, which is in the case of HP, which is because of hematine, which is case in occur in the coffee ground vomiters, which is also known as cabbage, tomato, and spinach. Now we're going to study about the nitric acid, which is also known as aquafortis or Tizart. Fatal doses are 10 to 15 gram, and it causes xanthoprotic reactions. Now we have sulfuric acid, which is the strongest side, and it is known acid. The basic treatment is gastric lavage. The alkali MgO, or it could be, is the antidote. Now we have to study about the vitriology. Vitriology is throwing of acid on the someone's body. It forms painless ulcer due to scars formation. We have to remember it 320 IPC, which is grievous hurt, 326A, which is for the acid attack, 326B, which is for the acid attempt. So these are the plant juices which are used for the vitriolage are Semicarpus, Anacadium, and the Calotropis. And we have to remember the boiled lobster syndrome also, which is caused by boric acid, and we have to remember its related pearl, which is 2111. Poison decomposition are carbolic acid, zinc, strychnine, and heavy metals. Now we have to remember the zinc fume fever, which is mimic malaria and also known as zinc fume fever or smelter fever or Monday morning fever. Now we have to remember the miscellaneous point, which is subendocardial infarction, which is seen in the sulfus poisoning, and subendocardial hemorrhage, which is seen in the cases of arsenic. So these are the important point for it, and we have to remember the related powers, which is 640 and the 2111, which is for the point. Now we have non-metallic poisons, which are being the phosphorus and its type. You have to remember its type, which is white phosphorus and red phosphorus difference also. White phosphorus has garlicky smell, while red phosphorus has no. It is neither toxic and it does not have no morphology and not luminous. Like white plus red phosphorus equals to yellow phosphorus. Red phosphorus is used in the sites of matches and stakes. Diwali poison is also known as phosphorus, mercury, antimony, arsenic, and strontium, which has garlicky smell. Now we have to remember the poisonous poisoning. The features are artist-making fuzzy jaw and the smoking stool syndrome. Now we have to remember the antidotes for it. We have to go for the gastric lavage, vitamin K, and the matchstick made up of are the potassium chloride and the antimony sulfide. Now we have to remember the iodine, which is the gastric mucosa. It will turn into yellow and blue color. Gastric lavage with the starch and sodium thiosulfate is being done. For the related pearl, we have 2103, and we have to remember it. For the chronic cases of iodine poisoning, we go for iodism. And now we have the chronic conditions. We will take the pH for plumbalism, HPB for the saturation, and Hg for the hydrogynism. Now we have to remember the arsenic containing compounds, which are Paris green, which is copper arsenate, and the share green, which is copper arsenate. Now we have to remember the sequence of arsenic poisoning symptoms. Now arsenic never crosses blood-brain barrier, and we have to remember the mercury. Mercury have could be heter shake or glass blower shake. You have to remember the mercuria mica matter disease, and now we're going to have study the mercury diseases, which could be, they remember where the mnemonic table, it is tumor, ecodynamic bell, and lens deposition and erythritidum. Now mercury is also known as quicksilver. Denovium solution is basically Hg plus arsenic, basically used for sexually transmitted disease. PCT necrosis is being caused, and it will lead to chemical antidote basically used here is sodium formaldehyde. The recent test is being done, which is an old test. Now the fatal dose is 1 to 4 gram, which will lead to the poisoning of mercury. Now we have to remember the hater shake, glass blower shake. Mercury is also used for the mercury lentis and the Mina-Mata disease. These are the mercury deposited in the lenses. Now we're going to study about the lead, which is the cause. Now the lead, which causes plumbalism or saturation, the most common route is inhalation. The fatal dose of the lead acetate is being 20 gram, and the features are of plumbalism is remembered by the mnemonic ABCDEF, which is anemia, blood-brain line, and the colic, constipation, wrist drop, EDTA, encephalopathy, facial pallor. And now we have to remember the metaphysis is commonly opaque, and basically suction is being used. Sindoor can lead to the tetroxide. Blood levels, we have to remember the acute poisoning, we have to remember these terms also. So these are all about the non-metallic poisons which we have studied. So most of the one-liners have been covered. There are some things which we have to remember, and remember these terms, like the lead poisoning is very important in both the prof exams and both for the competitive exam, as the lead is consecutively asked many times in the last 10 years. So now we have to go into further, we will go to the metallic poisons. All the questions you can't cover in a one go, but you can remember most of the points by just mugging them up. So now we're going to study about the metallic poison. Metallic poison is, first we go for the arsenic, which is being used for the abortion, aphrodisiac, arsenic meal line, arsenophagist. And now we're going to the rash. Rash is raindrop pigmentation, red velvety mucosa, reeking test. And now S is for the some endocardial hemorrhage, E for the excessive pigmentation, N is for the neuritis, I is for the iron oxide, C is for the mimic chlorella, and G is for the golden brown. Bell is also a specific antidote which is being used here. Now it is also called blackfoot disease, which is a disease in which the foot turns to be black, and in acute poisoning the liver is a same sample taken, which is for the cases of chronic poisoning, bone is being taken. Now we have to remember it also get deposited in the form of keratin in the tissues like skin, nail, and the hair. So these are terms for it. We have to remember the by mnemonic arsenic, which we have just studied. So these are the cases for arsenic. Arsenic is very important metallic poison. Now after this we're going to study about the copper. Copper is also a very important poison, and it forms Clapton line, which is a green colored line. Now the specific antidote used for copper is penicillamine. The chemical antidote is ferrocyanide. The causes are the betarism, which increases salivation. The fatal dose is 15 gram. Now zinc, it's also mimic malaria like symptoms. So the zinc is basically zinc poisoning causes zinc fume fever. Now the cadmium, which is causes PCT necrosis and has golden hair. So these are the points for it. Now we're going to study about the related pearls. We have some related pearls. 888, 889, 890, 891, 892, 2099, 2100, and 2101. Now after this we're going to study about the agriculture poisons. In agriculture poison we're going to study about the zinc phosphide, sulfose, organophosphorus compound, and organophosphorus poisoning also. So starting with zinc phosphide is rodenticide. It has fishy smell and fatal dose is 5 grams. Sulfose is inhibit cytochrome oxidase, centers in necrosis of liver. Sulfose is basically aluminum phosphide. Fatal dose, we have to remember the specific antidote for it, which is subendocardial infarction, esophageal constriction, and adenocortical. These are the postmortem findings. There is no specific antidote. In the cases of organophosphorus compound, it is the most common suicidal agent. It is used as a solution or a kerosene smell. It has been classified under alkyl phosphate and the aryl phosphate. The alkyl phosphate is the malathion, and which is also a bug killer, which is used in the farms, and parathion, which is folidol. So the examples of malathion are HTPP, TEPP, and OMPA. Now, the examples of aryl phosphate or parathion are diazinon, which is the used for the TIC20. Now, the mechanism of action is irreversible fibrillation of acetylcholinesterase and hence acetylcholine increases. Now, the show cholinergic features are BSC, which is the bradycardia, increased secretion and constriction of pupils. We have to remember the red teams, which we are being produced by the chloro aclomaphoria, and investigation of choice here is RBCs. Fatal dose, we have to remember malathion diazone have 1 gram fatal dose, while the rest of them have 175. The reactions lead to atropine, which inhibits central and nicotine effect, or palladianone, which inhibits the nicotinic effects. Now the carbamate, which is the irreversible inhibition of acetylcholinesterase. The examples have been given. The palidoxin is contraindicated. Now we're going to study about the organochloride compounds, which is andrin and DDT. DDT has a fatal dose of 20 gram and 30 gram. These are the related pearls for it, which we can study from the free marrow app. Now we're going to study about the ergots. Ergot is mainly produced by fungus, mainly seen in the cases of rye, and is an acute poison with ergot. There is some chronic ergot poisoning with ergotism, which is burning of limbs. It also called tactile hallucination of insect. Tactile hallucination is also seen in the cases of cocaine, ergots, and arsenic. Now the capsicum annum, which is a chili seeds, it's also poisonous as it is same looking in same in the datura seed. It has a figure of 6 appearance and it causes the dermatitis, which is known as human hand. Now we have to remember the calotropis, which is the alkalis metal, and it has a principal eucain. Now it causes dilatation of the pupil. Now there is another important term, which is the semicarcinicum, which is known as the marking nest, which has fatal dose of 5 to 10 gram, which is used for producing artificial bruises, and plant juice are used for the poisoning. Now we're going to study about the snake poisoning, very important. We have to remember opixtocin is a study of snake, which is poison and symptoms. Now we have family Elapidine. CC, which is cobra, common crane, and coma, 12 mg, 6 mg, and neurognine. The most poisonous snake is common crane, and most dangerous snake is cobra. Now cobra have cornea opposition syndrome due to keratitis, and now this vipra, which is 50 mg, vaculotoxin. S is for sea snake and S is for skeletal muscle myotonic also. No local symptoms seen in the case of common crate. Vertical slit pupil is a feature of sea snake. Now you have to remember the poisonous and non-poisonous snake. This is a very wide described difference between it is very common question, commonly asked question in the cases of your prof exam, that is poisonous and non-poisonous. It will having a head scales are small, belly scales are large, their tails are compressed, this is nocturnal and fang marks. Well, then it is the head scales are large, the belly scales are small, the tail are burst, and 24 hours the fang marks are multiple and forms semicircular sets. So these are all the agricultural and snake poisons which we have studied. Now we're going to study about the organic irritant poisons. Organic irritant we have organic irritant poison, which is the introduction is for the strychnine, protozoa, and the datura. The irritant poisons have toxalbumin, which causes the basically RBC's agglutation occurs. Now the Ricinus communis is the castor plant, which common name is RND, and the toxication it causes is ricin. It inhibits the 60S ribosome. The fetal dose is 10 seeds. We have to remember the croton tiglium also, which is also known as Nepala or Jamalgota. Fatal dose is basically 4 seeds. Aris precatorius is also remember. This is the Liquinochica and the Ratri plant. Now the Albinabralian toxablumin act like a viper's venom. It has animal poison also, which makes you with the poison, arrow poison, and it is being used in the abortions. All plants of these plant are poisonous. That's it for the Albus precatorius. Now we're going to approach towards the snake bite venom, which is mnemonic by right. Reassol, immobilize, and go to the hospital, and finally treat the patient. Now the anti-snake venom, which is being produced in Hofnitz Institute in Bombay, which dose is 20 ml IV bolus. Anti-snake venom is made from cobra, common crate, Russell vibe, saw scale vibe, and should be given within the ideally moves after 24 hours. Neostigmine is used in the case of neurotoxin. Cathrides are being used as a poison, which cause the species as Indian blister beetle. The fatal dose of cantharide powder is 15 to 15 milligram. The peripidism is also being used, which is a painful erection of penis. Now the related pearls are there. Now we're going to study about the alcohol. The first harmful toxin ethanol in the female, the blood alcohol level, if it reaches 20 to 30% more, it will lead to the decrease in metabolizing enzyme. Maximum absorption of alcohol is from the small intestine, the specific gravity, and the zero order kinetics. Now we have to remember the absolute alcohol, the rectified spirit, the neat nature spirit, and the methylated spirit. 100% proof alcohol also. Now the wide mark formula is the given by Swedish Toxico, and the it remember as PCR, which is the body weight concentration of alcohol, and the R is a constant, which is 0.6 to 0.5. And the clinical manifestation like nystagmus, motor, and the coma. Now we remember the 510 IPC, which is a misconduct after intoxication. Now the level of drunkenness could be 10 milligrams sober, 10 to 80 drinking, 8 to 150 under the influence, and 150 to 300 will considered as drunk. Now the no specific antidote is being made till for alcohol. Gel length classification, basically it is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and E. Now the painful, heavy, withdrawal, dispel, and paradoxy. The fatal dose here is 150 to 250 ml. Test for the alcohol detection is being Cozella, Henry test, breath analysis, cavator test, and chromatography. So the relationship between the blood alcohol and other concentrations. And methanol. Methanol is very common in the poisoning. It leads to whose tragedy also. Now the somniferous poison, the narcotics. Basically, narcotics were in NDPS Act 1985, naloxone, later as antidote, and laloprine as Barrow. Now we have to remember the overview of opium like pinpoint pupil, poppy seeds, and the peperum somniferus. Now we have to remember its fatal dose, which is 2 gram, the opioids and opiates also. Test for the blood level detection of opium products, which is the Maculas, Denningness, and Husain. Now the heroin, which is other names are junk, dope, snack, brown sugar, heroin, and chasing the dragon. Now the adulteration of heroin, which is cutting in fructose, mannitose, unidine, talc, chalk, and other powders. Now we have the other important products, which is the delirant poisons like datura, which is a 90 poison. Species are important, fatal dose are important. The roadside poison. Now we have to remember cannabis by the mnemonic A, B, C, D, E, and G, H. Run amok, is also known as bhang, cannabis, sativa, diazepam, exotic tree, and female flower, ganza, and hashish. Now all these products are known as marijuana, and mazoon is reserved for the sweet product of the cannabis, and the sin smells as USA product of cannabis. So these are important for the cannabis and the Tura. Now we're going to study about the cocaine, which is also known as crack, white lady, coke, and it obtained from the leaves of Rhizosellum coca. Now the tactile hallucinations it causes, which will associated with the cocaine bug, is basically Magnum syndrome. Now the amyl nitrate, which is an antidote, black tooth or black tongue, are the features. It will lead to the nasal septal perforations. Fatal doses 1 to 2 grams. Strychnine is a noxiformal or coca, while the spinal cord poisoning. Fatal doses 1 crushed seed. It affects the anterior horn sand, which leads to the excitatory effect. The tetanus. The cause of death is respiratory muscle paralysis. It causes the osteoporosis and the amphiphractionus. The metabolism occurs in the kidney and the liver. The active principle here are the brucin and the strychnine. And here we have the diazepam antidote also. Now we're going to study about the cardiac poison, which will be remembered by Dawn has a queen, digitalis, Alexander, Nicotina, HCN, Aconite, and quinine. Aconite is also known as methazabe, and it has hippus sign, which is the alternate contraction and dilatation of the pupil, and tingling and numbness of the tongue, hypotension. Now we will remember the cerebea odoratum, which is also known as prickly bead, and oleander, also known as kani. Now the most common subcutaneous abuse in India is alcohol, most cutaneous substance use in India is tobacco, and most common illicit substance abuse is cannabis. Now there is hydrogen cyanide, which is precious acid, and it has poisonous gas, cyanogen gas, which you have to remember like smells like bitten almond smell. And the antidote is here is amyl nitrate, vitamin B12, and nitrocephalate. Now we're going to remember about the miscellaneous important points of the poisons. Now H2S, which is also known as sewer gas, the tear gas, the sternorator, which is a type of vase gas, which causes sneezing, lacrimation, and vomiting. It is being used in the wars. An example is chlor-arsenic. Now the parasuicide, which is used for the most of the cases of suicides, like the poison drug, which is the most common cause of suicide, is by hanging. Now the carbon monoxide is the silence gas, like air safety limits, which leads to the 0.1%. Now the muscle weakness is 4%. Coma and death. Now the tests are Kunkel-10, Wetzel test, and Hopper seal test. The most post mortem staining and the post mortem brain. Now the ethylene glycerol is being also used. Now the postmortem brain is for bilateral lenticular nuclear hemorrhages. Now the ethylene glycol poisoning is leads to the oxalate crystals. The marking ink is contains aniline, and there is Sehert sign or Simon sign. Simon sign is hemorrhage in intervertebral discs, and Ser sign is hemorrhage in GI mucosa. Now there is some miscellaneous signs which are crosses short, which is by military rifles. Seven sign which is seen in drowning. Wisniewski sign which is seen in hypothermia. Biddle sign which is seen in red drowning. Now there is transplantation of organ like cornea transplantation, skin transplantation, which occurs in 24 hours. Now the bone, which is 48 hours, and blood vessels in 72 hours. Now the light detection, which is the polygraph test, the Struth semen test, and the test curve, and the brain mapping, which is used as brain fingerprinting. Now we have findings are known as murmurs. So these are all the important points of the toxicology. Now we're going to see the toxicology image-based discussions. All these images you can see and check them out, and by pausing the video you can go through them, like Rati, Dhatura, Semicarbalism, Anicarum, Strychnus, Nux vomica, castor seeds, activated charcoal, Kahnki, Bolian, and these are all the fact. Viper snake is being image is being given, and here the mease line you can see, and the class basis purpura. Thank you for the watching the video. Please like the video if you like it, and please share the video, and you can use it to revise your content and can check any topic if it left. Thank you.